This 8K CCTV tester is so good. It's basically cheating. Rsrteng IPC-9800MOVTADHS Pro Review. You know the drill. You're out in the field, sweating bullets, trying to set up a security system with gear that's older than your toolbox. The client's breathing down your neck, and you're juggling 3 devices just to test one camera. That spaghetti mess of cables isn't helping either. Your universal tester crashes, again, and your only consolation? A lukewarm gas station coffee. Whether it's bad touchscreens, ancient software, or tools that just won't talk to the cameras, the frustration is real. And let's be honest, it's not just annoying, it's killing your momentum, burning daylight, and straight up wasting your time. Sound familiar? Now imagine the stakes are even higher. Tight deadlines, multi-site installations, and that one client who changes their mind every 15 minutes. You're deep into a setup, the tools aren't reading the feed, and suddenly you're ghost hunting ghost signals with zero backup. You're juggling PoE needs, bad cables, incompatible cameras, and a tester that feels more like a Tamagotchi from 2002. And every hour lost is money flying out the window. Miss one error and boom, your whole day derails. Burnout creeps in, and you wonder, why hasn't someone made a single tool that actually handles everything, like for real? Enter the Rsrteng IPC-9800MOVTADHS Pro, the all-in-one 8K superhero for serious CCTV pros. This bad boy does it all. IP camera testing up to a jaw-dropping 32 megapixels, supports analog formats from CVBS to 4K SDI, runs on Android 11, and has more built-in diagnostic tools than your entire gear bag. TDR cable testing? Check. Optical power meter? Yep. Multimeter? Obviously. It even runs Hikvision and Dahua tools natively. Plus, that 7-inch IPS touchscreen? Chef's kiss. Say goodbye to switching devices, crashing apps, and awkward cable tracing. One device. All the power. You're back in control, fast, efficient, and looking like the pro you are. The Rsrteng IPC-9800MOVTADHS Pro isn't just about specs, it's about sanity. You'll glide through installs with rapid IP discovery, batch camera config, smooth RTSP playback, and intuitive UI. Trace cables in seconds, run voltage tests, generate instant reports, all on one device. The premium interface, physical buttons, yes, real ones, and multi-protocol support make this a field technician's dream. Whether you're setting up 8K IP cams or troubleshooting ancient CVBS lines, this tester turns chaos into clarity. Still skeptical? Good. That's smart. But don't scroll past this. Click below, dive into the full review, and see it all in action. Thousands of pros are already upgrading to Rsrteng, and trust us, they're not going back. The IPC-9800MOVTADHS Pro is flying off shelves for a reason. It's not just a tester, it's your secret weapon. If you're tired of wasting hours and losing credibility over cheap tools, this is your moment. Don't let another job get derailed by gear that can't keep up. Act now while it's still in stock. Demand's high, supply's tight, and your competition is already leveling up. Hit that link. Buy now. Secure your Rsrteng today. One tool. No excuses. No limits. Let's go.